Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stabilizing the bat and protecting its finish. You want a controlled surface. Heat the sticker edge with a hairdryer for 20–30 seconds to soften adhesive. This weakens the bond without damaging lacquer. Once warm, press a plastic scraper under the edge and lift slowly. You're separating adhesive from the bat rather than tearing paper. Make sure to reheat as needed. If the sticker resists, repeat heat cycles to avoid gouging or pulling paint. Once the sticker paper is off, you'll often see sticky residue. Address it with a solvent like citrus cleaner or Goo Gone. Apply a small amount to a cotton pad, test on an inconspicuous spot, then gently work the residue in circular strokes. This dissolves adhesive without attacking the finish. After the glue softens, wipe with a microfiber cloth and repeat as needed. If residue hardens, briefly reheat the area and reapply solvent to avoid excessive rubbing that could dull the bat. You finish by cleaning the surface with rubbing alcohol and mild soap to remove solvent traces. Dry the bat fully to prevent moisture damage. Then apply a light coat of bat wax or automotive polish to restore sheen and protect the finish. If stubborn adhesive remains, reheat briefly and reapply solvent rather than scrubbing harder. That reduces risk of finish lift. If you notice the varnish or paint coming away, stop immediately and consult a pro. Don't keep forcing removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.